What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to back up and how to restore data here from your iPhone. Let's say that for some specific reason you wish to, for example, reset and delete all data from your iPhone. You want to clean it, for example, just to increase its performance, and then you want to reset everything from a backup or restore from a backup. I'm going to show you how to do it in this video, and it's very useful to always keep your iPhone backed up or simply have a backup of your iPhone done on your laptop, so once in a while you can actually restore if something happens with your iPhone. Let's say you simply lose your iPhone or your software gets corrupted, so it's important to have a backup. And if you find my content useful here on YouTube, consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, as it really helps me out. Now, we do have in here two ways on how we can back up and restore our data. We do have the traditional way by using your laptop, which is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. You can either do it with a Windows laptop as well as a MacBook device. And the classic second method is through iCloud, but I do not pretty much recommend doing it on iCloud because it's not precise, and sometimes you have issues because you need to have a fast internet connection and it takes a lot of time. As well, besides the internet fact, you also need to pay for iCloud storage if you do have a lot of information. In 90% of the cases, you would need to pay for iCloud storage because Apple just offers you 5 free gigabytes of space, which is absolutely low. It doesn't allow you to pretty much back up anything on your phone in here, which is something heavy and with data that we use every single day. Now, first things first, let's jump into the very first step. In here, I do have my iPhone. The very first thing we need to do is connect my iPhone into my laptop device. Okay, in my case, I'm running a MacBook, but I'm going to show you also how to do it on a Windows device. So simply connect it into your MacBook. Okay, the other end of the cable is already into my MacBook, and now let's move into my laptop. So here I am on my MacBook, but as I've said, if you have a Windows PC, no problem at all. I'm going to show you also how to do it on the Windows PC in just a few seconds in this tutorial as well. Now, if you are running a MacBook, you do not need to download iTunes, but if you have a Windows PC, you would need to download iTunes in order for this to work. Okay, now once you connect your iPhone into your laptop, you want to ensure that your iPhone is unlocked. You want to unlock your iPhone, and if you do have any pop-up on your iPhone saying, hey, do you trust this device or anything like that, you just need to say, yes, I accept and I trust this device. So the connectivity process in here will happen without any sort of issue. We're talking about data in here that will be transferred, so it's important to exist a safe and secure connection. Now, there we go. Once we're connected, we're going to open up Finder here at the inferior left corner, and you'll be able to see your iPhone in here. This is the name of my iPhone. It says Fixed by Shaq 1. It's my name. And then iPhone 16 Pro. We do have space in here, my battery percentage, and other details as well. I even need to make an update in here, and I can do it right now in one click. But as of this video tutorial, we'll only talk about backup. Next up, we're going to scroll down, and then we're going to tap in here on backup all the data on your iPhone to this Mac. So you want to tick this option in here, and once you're done selecting this option, you want to tap in here on backup now. You want to tap once on backup now, and the backup process will start immediately. Tap on backup now, and then it's going to ask you whether you wish to encrypt your backup or not. You can tap on encrypt if you want your MacBook to actually keep everything secure, so nobody without access cannot get access, as long as you do have your iCloud password in order to decrypt. This is important, especially if you do have sensitive information. Okay, so simply tap on encrypt or do not encrypt, and then I'm going to tap on do not warn me again. Let me tap on learn more if you wish to get more information about it. Now, in my case, I'm going to tap on don't encrypt, and backup will start immediately, and in no time backup will be done into your laptop. Okay, now you just need to type in your password on your iPhone and this will be done. I didn't accept it, that's why it says error, but in your case, you'll be good to go. And then you can manage the backups in here to see all performed backup. Okay. Once you're done backing up all your data, or for example, this could be something that you did years back, we're going to hop into settings. We're going to scroll down all the way to general right here. So once we're here on general, the next thing we're going to do is simply scroll down all the way down here to reset iPhone or transfer. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap on erase all content and settings. So once you're here, you want to continue and you want to delete everything from your iPhone. All your data will be wiped out out, you won't be having any more data on your iPhone device, and your iPhone will be set as a brand new iPhone device, okay? And you'll be brought to a screen that looks like this, which says, hello, you need to set up your iPhone from scratch, where you need to follow the wizard, tap on next, next, next in order to set up your iPhone device. Now, once you are on this screen, you want to connect to Wi-Fi, and then we're going to move into our laptop in order to restore our data. So right now, let me quickly reconnect my iPhone into my laptop. There we go. I'm already connected. Now, once you're done erasing your iPhone device, we're going to hop into Finder one more time, and then we're going to tap in here on Fixed by Shaq, which is the name of my iPhone device. And once I'm here, the next thing I'm going to do is simply scroll down all the way to Restore Backup. As you see, I don't have a backup done in here locally, but it's important for you to tap on Restore Backup and ensure that it's set to the second option, which says backup all your data from your iPhone to this Mac. So you want to restore from a local backup that was done on your phone. You can even tap on Manage Backups to see all the backups that you've done. Simply tap on Restore, and the restoration process will start immediately in no time. You'll see a progress bar on your iPhone device starting, and once it's complete, it's going to restart and take your iPhone all the way to the home screen, and all your preferred information and settings will be organized as it was before doing the backup. So on your Windows device, you first need to have iTunes installed. If you do not have iTunes already installed, you need to hop into your internet browser, and then you need to search for iTunes download on Google, and you'll be brought to this website officially from Apple in order to download the latest version from the Microsoft Store. Now, it's important for you to download it from the official Apple website in here, which is this one within the very first line, okay, which is apple.com. Ensure that you're not downloading a fake application or a pirated one. It's 100% free, so no need to go for a third-party app. Next up, open it up and connect your iPhone. Ensure that Trustworthy is done. Trust and type in your passcode on your iPhone, and then tap in here to open up your iPhone device. Right here, there was a small iPhone, tap on there. So once we're here, we're gonna tap in here on manually backup and restore. Simply tap on backup now, but before, select this computer and then tap on backup now. Now, backup process will start immediately in here, and just ensure that you have enough space in order to store all your data on your device. Once backup is done, we're gonna move into our iPhone to restore our iPhone. Once we're done backing up our information here on our laptop, we already know that we do have a backup. We wish to restore it here to our iPhone device. What I would recommend you to do is simply hop into settings real quick. Next up, you want to scroll down all the way to general down here within the second stack of settings. Scroll down once again and then tap here on transfer or reset iPhone. So once you're here, you want to tap on erase all content and settings. As I've said, this will eventually delete all your data. We've just done it before. Tap on continue in order to delete all of your data. Once you're done doing this, this will essentially take you a couple of minutes. Once you're done, you'll be brought to this screen which says hello, from where you need to actually swipe to start setting up your iPhone. Start setting up your iPhone, connect to a Wi-Fi network, and then simply connect your phone into your laptop. Okay, so once you connect, iTunes will immediately pop up in here, and then you need to restore your backup from your laptop all the way to your PC. So now let's move into our PC. Once we have our iPhone connected into our laptop device or Windows device, I do have iTunes open one more time. We now just need to tap on Restore Backup in order to restore our backup. Now, iTunes will automatically locate your backup if you've done it here on your computer, and you do not need to worry with locating that specific file. Just tap on Restore and you'll be good to go. So this is how easy you can actually restore your iPhone in here from a backup that you've done previously. It's so simple, and you can do it on a Windows device as well as a MacBook device. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts so we can discuss further. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.